Okay, people, we're almost at the well, not really, only about 47 minutes away from the very tip of the Californias, and the weather sucks. 68 degrees steady for the last 1 hour. It says it's freezing her butt behind me, and I have all my vents open in my jacket. I can feel my upper body getting cold. It says he doesn't want to stop. She goes, get there. I understand because it's 6:30 over here. No, it's 5:29. I don't recall exactly when the sun is down, so it'll get dark. Anyways, it's cold. I think it's a perfect weather for riding though, but why my vacations? Why? Ah! I wanted it to be at least nice and sunny, 80s. That's what I was looking for, like 80s. I think it's ideal. But just for the way it looks, I think it's gonna be like this for the next 2 days. We're gonna stay only 2 days, and we're gonna get back to Loreto. Loreto is really nice. I really like the place. Spend maybe another couple of days up there. The motorcycle, if you guys wanted to know, this is a 2016 Yamaha Super Tenere. Oh, is it raining, Chili's? I got some droplets in my helmet. Oh shit, I think we're gonna get rained on. Shit, crap. Anyways, 2016 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200cc. This thing is a beast. Oh, says it's screaming in the back. It's raining. Oh shoot. I think we're gonna have to stop and get our liners in and close the jacket, because no, you don't want to get water all over inside of you. It gets uncomfortable. It's actually getting uncomfortable. She just wants to keep on pushing. Yeah, the motorcycle has been performing quite well. I'm amazed with this machine. All the weight that I'm carrying, incredible. And it just keeps hammering. I mean, I just put it on the sport mode, and it holds ass. Like over here, we're climbing on 6th gear, fully loaded, 71 miles an hour. Yeah, it is meant for this. It was definitely designed for this type of torture. I love it. I think in the near future I'm gonna replace the oh, look at this, the rear shock. Look at this. The Pacific Ocean. Yikes. We're on the tip of Baja California on the Pacific side. 43 minutes away from Cabo. No way in hell I'm gonna be on my bathing suit, my shorts, my bathing suit. Ah, that sounded so freakingly gay. Well, I was thinking about you. My shorts. Crap. That's funny. My bra, my tongue. No, you guys don't want to see that shit. Stop laughing, Ceci. She's cracking up behind me. It's like, you're talking nonsense. Yeah, it's been a good ride. Just talking to my better half in the back. You know, we've been laughing all the way down here. At times I want her to shut up, but she doesn't, pobrecita. Love you. Yeah, good thing you guys don't hear what she's saying. She's not saying anything. It's a beautiful road. I mean, coming out of La Paz, it was like straight shot, straight as an arrow. But now it's turned out fast turns, very manageable by this motorcycle. Oh yeah, I mean, this thing can take anything. You can throw anything at this thing as long as you're capable. Crap, it's pretty amazing. I want to take it to a day track and just form my skills. Yeah, my windshield is getting full of droplets. I think it's raining up ahead, Chelis. Crap, man. Oh well. We decided to pick a rainy season. Not. I extended my vacations because I wanted to get my second shot for the COVID. And the day that we left home, I went straight to Kaiser Hospital and I got my second shot. And we took off from there. Did not look back. Funny because my arm just that day didn't bother me at all. The second day, yeah, it got sore. Well, it just got sore for one day. But I was so focused on just riding that I didn't even pay attention. I didn't want to pay attention to it, and I had no ill effects, nothing. It's like my neighbor. You say, "Soy caballo, soy caballo." Stupid. Or like what Lani say, fucking stupid. Or how does she say, mija? Stupid idiot. Yeah, I'm a stupid idiot. There you go, Lani Morrison. Yeah, next time you and Celia are gonna fly over here. Frank and I, we're gonna ride our asses over here. Full speed. Oh yeah. 39 minutes to the very tip of California. Can't wait to get there. Saludo para todos los seguidores. My 5 seguidores que tengo. Fools, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing watching this crap? I swear. Yeah. Anyways, look at the Pacific Ocean. You know, the whales, they come down from the north and pretty much they parallel me. They parallel me right now. They go around the tip of the Baja, then they go up north in ¿Cuáles burros? No, I didn't even see him. Oh, Sexy screamed, "Oh, los burros! The donkeys!" Oh, what donkeys? I didn't see no freaking donkeys. Yeah, she's been looking for animals. Oh, we saw 2 coyotes. Coyotes, they crossed the road. Don't remember where. They were pretty good size. Seen a lot of roadkill, like cows, mostly cows. That's why you don't want to drive here at nighttime, because them cows, they cross the road or they just kick it on the road. I don't know. Get run over by the 18-wheelers. What else I can tell you? I don't know, this cold kind of wakes you up. Makes you numb. "37 minutes to get there. 75 miles an hour. Look at that ocean. Woohoo! We had a shrimp cocktail back in La Paz. Yeah, La Paz. It was pretty decent. I wouldn't say like it was like 10 out of 10. I think it was like a 6.57. We got a small one. shrimp cocktail. Says he got a octopus shrimp cocktail. I think the tortillas, las tostadas, they were a lot better. I want to find a place where I can just say, yeah, these mariscos are really good. I hope we can find something tonight. But just by gauging the situation right now, the weather situation, I think we're gonna be out on jacket and pants and liners, motorcycle liners underneath. I ain't camping around here with this weather. Hell no. Marina. Oh, that was the air brakes spitting the air, excess of air, whatever. Speedball they call them. Yeah, that's it. Speedballs. Oops. What else? Yeah. Hey Robert, if you get to this far, you know, congratulations on your new property, my friend. You guys are heading for success. I will cheer you along the way. El Che, my good friend El Che from Bolivia. Soon enough, you're gonna be joining us to Rosarito ride. I think you will have a blast. And who else? Miguelon. How can I leave Miguelon out? Yeah, Miguelon's got to work on his riding skills and his endurance for cycling. He has to. And to all my family, I love you guys, all of them. My brother Temo, Chiquilin, Miguel, sister, my sister, my mom, dad, mis suegros también, y la Cocolizo que anda por allá en Chicago. Thank you for all your prayers to get us all the way over here. We really needed them, and we're gonna need them again once we start riding back. I don't even want to think about going back, so I'll start worrying when we start heading our way back. Woo, woo, woo. Look at this nice turn. It's a beauty. Anyways, that's it for today, boys and girls.